What's up, YouTube? I'm back for another video. Today I'm a vlog because it's raining, literally raining hard. Right now I'm in the car. My dad driving.
Can't see anything. Gotta drive slow.
And look, it's actually really raining outside. Look. I'm a vlog. I don't know doing what, but I'm just gonna vlog. So yeah, I'm over here with my dad, driving the car.
We'll get something to eat. We're hungry.
And cold. Oh my god.
Oh, people can't drive around here. Come on. Look.
Look.
How do you want to get in?
I can't show you.
Can't show.
So yeah, it's over here. Over there.
Trying to go get some kicks for Jimmy. Right, so
And yeah, see you guys later. Bye. So I just got here. It's a huge river right there.
a big puddle.
How am I supposed to get out of here? I'm gonna jump.
You vlogging?
Yeah.
That's how you vlog. That's how you vlog, bro. Yeah, we just got here. It's kind of wet. A lot of water. We'll show you to get run over. We'll get the elevator. Jimmy boy.
Yeah.
I'll get the elevator, boy.
So we're at the elevator right now.
We're gonna get stuck.
I dare you to jump.
No, we're gonna get stuck.
Yeah, we can help you.
It's raining today in California, West LA. Doesn't rain a lot here.
And yeah,
What happened? Here you go.
and we're here at the store. We're like that. Literally raining outside. Look.
Stand in the rain. Go stand in the rain.
I'm in the rain. Oh, never mind.
Get back.
Let's go.
As your parent, Jimmy, come here, you're gonna get sick. Get back.
So we're at the store. You guys are walking down the stairs.
Walk.
Walking.
Turn up the shake.
We're at the store.
Where's the kids? They don't want to see the ceiling, bro. They want to see where we at, like this. That's not how you vlog, boy.
I don't care a vlog how I go. Ever.
Here we are here at Ross.
Hey, look.
Oh. They didn't want to see us on camera.
Look.
So, hey, where's the kid stuff, man? People are like these crazy people walking with cameras and stuff, recording the walls. Here.
Look, we
Over
here.
there.
Let's go over there.
Oh, shit, careful.
It's okay. My hand is still.
Right there.
So yeah.
We gotta look for some kicks for you.
Water cake.
Your shoes, man. Alright, so we'll get back at them.
We'll be back when we get there. So I'm over here trying on shoes. With these
We got
shoes.
the Nike SBs. Hopefully they fit them.
I was gonna get those.
These.
Nah, they'll fit me.
Alright, give me your right feet.
Right here, and see you guys when I get my shoes.
Just pick up.
So yeah. Are those nice?
Look, tell Jimmy to get these. I think we're gonna get these, Jimmy.
Yeah.
They look nice. I wanted Jimmy to take these.
They're pink. They're pink.
They end up being pink, bro. And we're not taking.
I don't think you guys can see that.
But yeah,
It's like
Cool.
light.
let's go off to get some shirts for you, man.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. So now I'm about to go get some shirts
Look for the dogs.
for dogs.
For Chico and Princess.
I think you guys saw them on, I think, the Christmas video and the in the other video.
We need this to pick up Princess Poop. We need this for Princess Poop.
Wow.
It's cool.
A cart right there. It's like sitting right there. And yeah, I got $1. I got so tall. Look, I'm so tall. I'm just playing. It's a chair. It's a chair right here. Oh, it's a high chair. Yeah, I'm looking at dog stuff. Oh look, plushies. So we're back in the elevator again.
We're going up again. Oh.
I think it's too large.
So what's up? We're in the elevator.
20,000.
Jimmy's shy to vlog in front of people. Don't be shy, Jimmy. It's only a vlog. Jimmy,
What?
where's your shirts at?
I don't know.
Where's your shirts at, man?
I don't know.
From the store, where's your shirts at?
I don't know.
Where they at? 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 Damn it. Hate shopping.
We were
It turns out to be that it's downstairs for the kids and we went up.
we went I knew it.
Oh, these shopping stuff. I don't know how people like this.
It's a 242. So yeah.
Hey, Jimmy's in the fitting room. Shouldn't put man. Make sure there's no killer clowns in there. Whoa, somebody's in here. All right, try them on. Peeping Tom, look.
What?
We could see you, boy. We could see you. My bad, my bad. He wasn't naked, right? He wasn't naked, no.
I'm taking off my sweater.
Jimmy's first shirt. Stand up straight. Justice League. Let's go try the second one, Jimmy.
So we're gonna buy this. We're gonna do it again.
We're gonna do another challenge.
They have 2 new flavors.
2 new flavors, dead fish and spoiled milk.
So we're over here getting out of the store, and I think we're gonna end it right here.
Because Jimmy forgot to charge my phone last night, so we're like at 2% right now. But look, we got a Beanboozle, sorry.
challenge.
We're gonna do it again with all the kids and everybody.
Yeah, and we're gonna make it a little bit interesting. So yeah,
Beanboozle challenge part 2, or part 2,
stay tuned.
part 2.
And yeah,
Where's
bye.
this elevator at? All right, take care. Bye.